Now, let's talk about lumens, also known as XLM, which is the native currency of the Stellar network. Most blockchains have a native token. On Bitcoin, it's BTC. On Ethereum, it's ETH. On Stellar, it's XLM. But XLM is just not another cryptocurrency. XLM plays a critical infrastructural role inside Stellar ecosystem. XLM exists primarily for three reasons. First, transaction fees. Every transaction on Stellar requires a small amount of XLM as a fee. This prevents permatext, network abuse, and ledger bloat, and ensures network stability. Second, minimum balances and base reserves. Every account on Stellar must hold a minimum amount of XLM. This prevents mass account spam, ledger explosion, and storage abuse. And this also ensures only serious participants create account. Third, there is network security. XLM acts as an economic friction layer. This means attackers must spend real resources to attack the network. XLM is also special because it does not require a trust line. It does not have an issuer. It is built directly into the protocol. This makes XLM the fundamental building block of Stellar. So now let me give you a mental model as a developer, from a developer perspective. Think of XLM as the fuel, the security, the anti-spam protection, and the system glue. Without XLM, Stellar cannot function. In the real world, XLM is used for paying transaction fees, creating accounts, maintaining balances, network operations, and liquidity bridging. XLM is not primarily a speculative asset, it is infrastructure currency. Now let's understand how Stellar controls network resources. Stellar uses transaction fees and base reserves. It uses these to prevent spam, to protect network performance, and ensure fair resource usage. Every transaction on Stellar costs a small fee paid in XLM. This fee is extremely low. It's usually fraction of a cent, but it serves a use security purpose. Without fees, attackers could flood the network, overload validators, and crash the systems. Fees act as economic defense. Every account must hold a minimum XLM balance. This is what we call base reserves. This minimum depends on the number of ledger entries, the number of trust lines, the number of signers, and the data stored. More data equal higher reserve requirement. This prevents unlimited storage abuse, ledger bloat, and spam account creation. So why is this design brilliant? Stellar doesn't rely on high fees or expensive transactions. Instead, it uses micro fees plus minimum balances to keep the network fast, to keep it cheap, and to keep it secure. This is why Stellar is perfect for payment, remittances, and financial inclusion. To learn more about base fees, you can click on those links.